Faith over fear is my manifesto for the year 2022. On the heels of the pandemic, the economy, the business, and all my personal concerns, I was overwhelmed with a ton of emotion, much of which was rooted in fear. The concept of having faith over fear is simple. Do every damn thing you can to make it work, and then simply let go and have the faith that it will work rather than the fear that it won't. You can make this stoic, you can make this religious, you can make it whatever you want. Truth is that putting in the work and then simply being at peace with the outcome was the best thing for me during that period of total chaos. So much so that I wrote it down and put it on a shirt. I feel like we can all benefit from adopting this faith over fear mentality. As such, wear it proudly on your chest and start living with your head held high, filled with ambition and action rather than fear and uncertainty. This Faith Over Fear launch drops on September 18th at 12 noon Central. All of these items are printed by us and 100% made and sourced in the USA. LiveSavageApparel.com.